Pag-usapan naman natin ngayon si perpendicular lines. Okay? Perpendicular lines are lines that intersect at a 90 degrees angle. So, katulad ng sa intersecting lines, yung mga lines dito, nag-i-intersect din at one point. So, special kind siya ng intersecting lines. Bakit? Kasi yung angles na na-form nung dalawang intersecting lines ay right angle. Bakit? Ang measurement kasi nun ay 90 degrees. So, pag perpendicular siya, lahat ng angles na mapo-form nung dalawang intersecting lines ay 90 degrees. Kaya siya perpendicular lines. Okay? So, we have here, line AB is perpendicular with line CD. And nag-intersect sila kay point E. Now, you draw your own example of perpendicular lines. Comment your answer in our comment section. And please don't forget to follow our page and share our videos para marami pang matuto sa math. Okay?